Guys, gals, do y'all see that car right there in the background? All right, we're sitting in this CVS parking lot because Amy needed to go run and get something. You want to tell everybody what happened, Amy?
No,
what happened? Just what happened, babe? Hey, but you freaked that dude out.
I did, probably. So we're in a rental car, which I'm not very familiar with, obviously.
It's white.
It's white. That guy's car is white. It's parked next to us, and I tried to get in to his car.
I heard the car door or something. I saw you walking behind. I was like, why was she in that dude's car? What was she doing in this dude's car next to me?
Like, that car was running as well, and I saw somebody in the driver's seat. And I was
Dude was bald, though. I'm not bald.
I was half paying attention, obviously, because we're in a hurry trying to get to the beach, and yeah. So that was embarrassing.
She like dives back in the car real quick. She's like, go, 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 go. She didn't say that, but I could tell that's what she wanted me to do. It was just get out of here, hurry.
Real embarrassing, guys.
Have you ever done that before?
I've been thinking about my younger days. Take it way back, I miss everything. Oh, I've been thinking about my younger days. Take it way back, I miss everything, everything. No days up, better go insane. No days up.
All right, me and Amy are doing splurging a little bit. We're gonna go on a Bacardi rum tour. This would be pretty fun. Boys are back at the hotel with some of their friends, and we're chilling together on a little date.
Hey guys.
So we got these cups. These are our souvenir cups, and now we're gonna board the tour bus, or I guess you call it a tour bus. What did you call it? What would you call it?
A trolley, maybe?
Trolley or a train or a golf cart that's extended.
I don't know.
Numbers to the right, so it's your lights is called March 22nd. For the folks leaving the car connected with the environmental stewardship of the island. They supply 3 to 5% of our distillery's net reserve. It was launched in 2012 to commemorate the 150th anniversary. As it made the turn to the same side as what's commonly referred as the Project Hercules.
This view at night out of our hotel room now. So beautiful. Got the ocean side right there. Beautiful. What a day, what a day.
Okay, that's it.
What was the size?
This just landed next to me at the table.
I didn't know you get strip on it.
He's fine. Everybody's getting food.
We gotta turn the fish around. It's like backwards.
We got Michi over here. So we got some octopus mofongo. Like I showed you before, but here's a close-up with some garlic butter sauce. So in this video today, you saw a little bit more Puerto Rico. You saw us go to the rum tasting place with the Bacardi. It's not Bacardi, it's Bacardi is what we were told to say. We took the boys to the batting practice right before their game. However, I didn't show you the game footage yet. It's coming, don't worry. Went out to eat a few times. You heard about the funny story with Amy. And that's all I'm gonna put in for today, so the videos aren't too long, but be ready for the next one. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You have your notifications turned on. Leave a thumbs up if you wanna see some more of Puerto Rico, which we have more footage, and we're about to be going somewhere pretty amazing right now on the day that I'm on right now, which is, I'm not gonna tell you, it's all mixed together. But that's all I got for you today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Please come back the next time and see the next video. Peace out.